Is liability analysis. Why liability analysis is done? Let me tell you. Liability analysis is done to whether check the data which we have collected, the data which we are using for our results for data analysis is reliable or not. Okay. Next, liability is required for each variable, whether it's independent or independent variable or dependent variable or moderator or moderator. So it's compulsory for every variable. Its minimum acceptable level is 0.7, and if 0.7 is your liability, then it shows a lower liability, but it's acceptable. If it's more than 0.7, like 0.8, then it's a higher liability. This is how liability analysis or statistics table looks like. As you can see, on left side there are variables or items name, and on right side there is count by alpha's values which all are more than 0.7 and which are acceptable. So now I will give you example of interpretation of liability. Brand, as you can see in front of you, it's 0.7. Brand loyalty is liability. So liability analysis interpretation example is the brand loyalty's liability is 0.768, which is higher than the minimum acceptable level of 0.7. Then there is a liability of brand image, which is also higher than 0.7. And then there is a liability of brand attachment. Its liability is also 0.710, which is high and advocate. So by this way you will do your liability analysis interpretation.